like a Hellcat.
Who that?
No, I don't know. No disrespecting, but
So yeah,
I saw the things that COVID-19 are going around. You see me? I said,
so what going, you know?
but there, man, you see me? I said, I'm glad.
Why? Today right now, because enough I want them sick out from it, you know.
From what day, I'm not see no man come out to play in a domino on a football log. I wonder how I go on.
What the mother they want, I see my mother gone, I wonder if no, I don't see her back.
Whether I change or I go through the.
So I know what for. Tell me what for.
Brother, from what day, dog, when I see nobody in my house, dog, I'm used to live with me baby sister. You see me? I say, I'm a woman, dog. From what day, I can't see my woman and baby sister. I wonder how I go on.
Yeah, come like COVID capture them to in my youth. I tell you about my youth, because now my mother not come back yet, you know, brother.
I know the artist thing about it. All the backward lock off to
my youth. You see them I take out the whole of the fun from me and you cut off 40. You take out backward. You cut off the God life. We are do next model. I'm thinking then
I bet you if I just cut off full life.
That me I say, just fling away in a cage and done.
That me I say, brother.
Judge
and start.
Here's the time this far.
Yeah, dog, yeah, well, I'll deal with something in a second, dog. You see me?
Nah, I say 40, man. More the chance.
Yes.
Hey, tip. Rick, are you that, dog?
Man, the dog. How that? How this? I licked the money right there. So fast, man, gone right later. Boom, dear Rico, he was a big pussy. And that's why your mother and your girl left you. Because you have COVID-19. And so you are going, you're sick like dog. No, it's a long time you bow out.
Why?
Oh, me? Half of me never yet bow out. Yo, dog, shag is this, you know, brother. That's why I'm not going to come here up here again. Because the real crosses. One bag of disease you have. And who be a butter years girl and yam years girl you deal with. Dog. Brother, yo, go Christian, man. Go back in my house, dog. That boy Rico unique. Alright, you see me have with me, my general, you see me, I say, bro, God. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and share too.